Morning, Miss Fat.
Morning, dear one. Good morning, grade 5.
Sure.
How are you doing?
Fine. Fine.
Okay, sorry for being that late, but I have a bad internet connection. Can you hear me well? Is the sound clear?
Sure, your
Morning,
voice
Miss.
cool.
Good morning, Lana. Is the sound clear? Can you hear me well?
Yes,
Okay, great. So how did you find the quiz?
easy.
Great. Some of you did a great job. Today we're going to start a new lesson, but before we do, we will solve the quiz together.
Teacher, which quiz?
The quiz talking about the two types of circuits, parallel circuits and series circuits.
Oh, yes, it's easy.
This one. Okay, since
Yeah,
we're not too
we
many,
solved it.
since we are not too many, you can all unmute yourselves and help me solving it. Okay? Yeah, look. The following circuit shows. Rena, Tala, Lamar, and Rama, please unmute yourselves.
Miss, what did you say?
I said, the following circuit shows. So there is a source of electricity. This is the source of electricity right here. Okay, this is the part powering the circuit, and we have 3 bulbs. So what do you think? Are these 3 bulbs in series or in parallel, or there are 2 bulbs in series and 2 others in parallel? What do you think?
Or series?
Three both in series.
Okay, let's see. So the electric current leaves the source of electricity and moves in this circuit. It passes through the first one, then through the second one, then through the third one, and back to the source of electricity. How many loops is there? How many pathways for the current to flow?
One.
There is one pathway for
One way.
one way. One pathway for the electric current. What does this mean? That the bulb,
3 bulbs in series.
that all the, that's right, that these bulbs are in series. There is one loop for the electricity to flow. Second question. Which of these materials would not be a good electrical conductor? So am I asking for a conductor or an insulator? Not a good electrical conductor.
Insulator.
So we are asking for the insulator. Yeah. The copper. Is the copper a conductor or an insulator?
Conductor.
Conductor. It is a metal. It is a conductor. Plastic.
Insulator.
Insulator. Thank you. Silver. The silver is also a metal.
Conductor.
Conductor. Iron. Iron is also a metal.
It's like the copper.
It's like the copper and the silver. Metals are good Metals are good conductors of electricity. So which answer is the correct one? Which answer is the correct
The
one?
plastic.
The plastic is the correct answer. The plastic is the correct answer. Lamar and Rama, please connect the audio now. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. If you didn't, I will remove you from the class. Lamar and Rama, connect the audio, please, now. For the others, please unmute yourself so you can communicate with us.
Yes.
Lamar and
Rama
Rama,
and
if you didn't connect the audio, this means that you are not watching me, you are not listening to me, so I need to remove you from the class. Okay, yeah. This question was hard for most of you. Lamar and Rama, last call, dear ones. Lamar and Rama, last call. Please connect the audio.
Miss Fatin, we can't hear you, so write in the comments.
Lamar and Rama, please connect the audio. Lamar and Rama, please connect the audio. Yeah. Determine what happens to the second light bulb if one bulb in this circuit is disconnected. What did you write? What did you write?
If one bulb in the circuit is disconnected,
disconnecting the past one
If one
will
of
be
them,
on.
yeah, let's see. If one of them isn't working, what will happen to the second one? Will it be up?
Will be on light.
it will stay lighting up.
It will stay lighting up. Why is that?
Bulb.
Why is that? Why the second light bulb will stay lighting up, will stay lit? Why is that?
Because there's two pathways to flow.
Because there are two pathways for the electric current. بس طلعوا. Is there a generator of electricity? Is there a battery?
No.
So how will the two bulbs work? What will happen to the second light bulb?
Also will not work.
The whole circuit isn't working أصلاً. Don't think if it is a parallel or a series circuit. In the first place, there is no battery, so both bulbs aren't working. And for sure, you have to tell me why. You have to explain. You have to determine. We have to say,
Because we don't have a battery.
yes, there is no battery. The whole circuit isn't working. The whole circuit is not working since there is
Because we
no
don't have a battery.
source of electricity. There is no battery. We don't care if one of them is disconnected or no. Both bulbs aren't working since there is no battery. Okay, yalla. Last call for Lamar and Rama. I gave you 5 minutes, miss. Lamar and Rama, if you didn't connect those, this means that you are not listening to me. I need to remove you from the class. Okay, I will count till 5. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Hassan. 4 and 5. I'm sorry, miss. You can't connect again if you are here. Yeah. Check the statement. Let's see. Which statement is correct? Let's draw the pathways of the electric current. Ready? The electric current leaves the battery, passes this way through light bulb A, and back to the battery through light bulb C. A and C are found in the same loop. So A and C are what? A and
Parallel.
Parallel.
they are found on the same line.
Series.
In series, they are found in the same line.
Series.
A and C are in series. They are found on the same pathway, on the same loop. Okay? A and C are in series. They are found on the same loop. Yeah, let's draw it again. The electric current leaves the battery, goes this way through light bulb B, and back to the battery through light bulb C. B and C also are found on the same pathway. What does this mean? B and C are
Series.
in series too.
Parallel. Series.
They are found on the same way. Okay, but look, A and B, they are found on 2 different pathways. C belong to both pathways. Look, there is a red line and a green line passing by C, right? But A and B are found on 2 different pathways. So A and B are what? A and B they are found on 2 different pathways, are in parallel, since they are found on 2 different pathways. Yalla, which one is found in the choices? Are A and B in series? Are A and B
No.
in series? No. A and C are in series?
Yes.
No,
The answer is A and C.
Yes, the second one. It's the second one. A and C are in series.
Series.
Last question. If one bulb in this circuit breaks, the second bulb
goes out.
goes out. Since this
Goes
is a
out.
series, circuit. When the electric current moves this way, the circuit is open, right? Now the circuit is open. It cannot pass through this. So the second one goes out. Thanks a lot. Yeah, let's start with our lesson. The lesson is too easy and too short. We're still talking about electric circuits, but now we are using electricity to make something else. Okay? What are the components of this circuit? What are the components of this circuit? What is this circuit made of?
Electromagnet.
This is an electromagnet. Excellent. But first of all, what do we have?
Battery.
We have a battery
Battery.
also. We have a battery, sorry. And what is this?
Wires.
Wires. And this is an electromagnet. So we are using electricity. So here is the battery. Here are wires. And this is the device. We are using electricity coming from the battery to build a magnet. Okay? That's what we call an electromagnet. Yalla, say it with me. Electromagnet. Read it. Electromagnet. يعني this is a magnet.
Electromagnet.
This is a magnet that works using the power of electricity. It's not a normal magnet that like the ones we play with and the normal ones that always attract metals. No, this is an electromagnet and not a normal one, not a normal magnet. So how do we build an electromagnet? You will need, actually, forget about this, you will need a battery and wires. That's it. You will need a battery and a wire. Okay? First of all, let me draw it for you. You take your wire
Those are the main ingredients.
and you coil it. You make lots of coils, lots of coils, lots of coils. You do it this way, and then you connect it to a battery. Okay? When the electricity passes through these coils, there is a magnetic field happening or forming. Okay? This magnetic field, this electromagnet right here, will attract pins, will attract coins, metal coins, if you have any. That's what we call an electromagnet. So, do usually wires attract metals? Yani if you put pins and then you use a wire, does it attract them? Yeah, I will count till 5. Tala, Faraone, Ahmed, and Mustafa unmute. If you didn't, this means that you are not listening to me. 1, 2, 3, Mustafa, Faraone, Ahmed, please unmute. Ahmed, unmute. Faraone, unmute. Thank you. Ahmed, please unmute. Ahmed Watfa, please unmute. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes, Ahmed, to unmute yourself. Since this electromagnet uses the power of electricity, so you will need an electric current flowing in the circuit. Does electricity pass through open circuits?
No.
No. Is the electromagnet now on or off?
On.
the switch is open, so the electricity isn't flowing through the circuit. Is the electromagnet on or off?
Yes, miss.
Off.
It is off. Excellent. It is off. Thank you, Ahmed, for unmuting yourself. Wake up.
Yes, miss.
Keep unmuted. Okay? Keep unmuted. I'm asking you questions.
Okay.
This electromagnet is off since the circuit is open. This one, is the electromagnet on or off? The electromagnet
On.
is attracting the pin.
On.
It is on. It is attracting the pin. The switch is closed. Okay? When the switch is closed, the electric current is flowing through the circuit and the electromagnet is on. It is attracting the pins. To build an electromagnet, you will need a coil and you will need a wire. You will need to coil up the wire around something. There is no need, على فكرة, to add something in the middle. Okay? There is no need to put an iron nail. What you have to do is to coil up a wire. You just make coils. Again, I will draw it for you. You can just bring a wire and make lots of coils, lots of turns, and connect it to a battery. Sorry for the bad drawing. This is how you build an electromagnet. Okay?
Miss, if I need to do it, can I do it without the switch?
Yes, for sure. أكيد you can do it without the switch. نحن أصلا we use the switch to open and close the circuit. No need for the switch. The switch is just to control the circuit. أحمد وطفة unmute. Unmute يا أحمد please. When
Okay,
the
miss.
electric current passes through the circuit, the iron nail or this will turn into an electromagnet. Okay, when the electricity passes through the coil, you will have a magnetic field. هلا, how do I make my electromagnet stronger? عندي three ways to make my electromagnet stronger. أول شيء, in the middle, أنا صح I told you إنه you can, if you want, don't add an iron nail in the middle, but if you do, if you put an iron nail in the middle, you will make your electromagnet stronger. This is one. Put something made of iron or a good conductor of electricity in the middle. Second, add more turns. Each time you add turns, you increase the power of your electromagnet. Third, instead مثلا of using one battery, you can use two batteries. This way, you will make the electric current stronger and then the electromagnet will be stronger. طلعوا هون. Which electromagnet is stronger? Which electromagnet is stronger? This one? ولا this one? Bravo, Yalana. Why, Yalana? Can you tell me why?
Because we have so many rounds.
Because we have so many turns or rounds. Excellent. Look at the coils. طلعوا the coils. There are too many. طلعوا هون. There are few coils. In the second one, there are more coils. So, the second one is stronger. Okay? And as you can see right here, they didn't use only one battery. They used 4 batteries. So each time you add batteries, you are increasing the power of your electromagnet. يلا خبروني, what can we do هلا in these 2 electromagnets to make them stronger? هن هلا they are strong. We are using 4 batteries. we added more coils. What can I add to these electromagnets to make them stronger بعد أكتر?
Add an iron.
Iron nail.
Iron nail.
Iron nail.
Add an iron
I
nail.
love you. I love you.
Iron.
Bravo. I can put an iron nail. هون فيني مرق جوا an iron nail. لحظة. Put an iron nail in the middle. It's two. Okay. هون فيني حط an iron nail كمان. هيك I make them stronger. So عندي 3 ways to make the electromagnets stronger. على فكرة electromagnets are found in lots of things around us. They are used in many places. Okay, I will leave this. We talked about them. Can you tell me one difference between electromagnets and permanent magnets? مين الشاطر اللي حيعرف? What is one difference between electromagnets and normal magnets?
Permanent magnet
اسمه permanent
magnet.
magnet.
with the electromagnet.
شو؟ هيدا المagnet, the normal magnet, the magnets that you use to play with. Can you turn them on or off? Can you turn them on? No.
No.
No. They are
We can.
always magnets. We cannot turn them on or off. We cannot control them. بس هيدا الالكترومagnet. How can we turn it off? شو بنعمل مثلا؟ إذا عندنا an electromagnet. هيا. Let's take this one. This electromagnet.
Remove some of the wires on.
هيدا الالكترومagnet. شو بعمل مثلا to turn it off؟
By the wires and the battery.
برافو. فيني فك الواير عن الباتري مثلا. فك الواير عن الباتري. What is something else?
We take off the wires from the iron nail.
لا, it will keep working يا لانا, بس it will be weaker. يعني حيكون more weak. إذا بنشيل الايرون nail حيكون weak.
You can
cut. برافو. We can cut the wires. مهم إنه نحن we need to open the circuit. بس we open the circuit يعني ال electricity isn't flowing anymore. بيوقف ال electromagnet. It doesn't work. نرجع we close the circuit. إذا مثلا عندي switch بس نعمل السويتش on the electromagnet بيشتغل. بس أعمل السويتش off the electromagnet بيوقف يشتغل. Okay. Last thing and we're done. تعرفوا كيف برن الجرس بالمدرسة؟ كيف برن الجرس بالمدرسة؟ This is how
Yes.
electric bells work. هيك شكله. بيكون في عندي an electromagnet. هيدا هو الالكترومagnet. اوكي؟ مشان هيك لما ما بيكون في كهرباء الجرس ما بيرن. If you notice هلا when we go back to school you will notice this. If there is no electricity the bell doesn't ring. Okay? This is the source of electricity. So the electric current leaves the battery and passes through the electromagnet. When the electromagnet works, it attracts metal to it. So it will attract this metal right here. Let me change the color so you can see it. هون في عندي metal. عندي شيء هيك حديدة. So the electromagnet attracts this حديدة to it. طيب. When it attracts the metal bar, شو بيصير هون؟ شو بيصير بالكلابر؟
It rings.
It hits the bell. بيصير يضرب بالبell. الكلابر بيضرب على البell and then the bell rings. So first of all, you will need an electric current passing through the circuit. بعدين when this electric current passes through the circuit, the electromagnet بيشتغل. It attracts the metal bar. بس يصير يقرب هيدي الميتال bars to it. The clapper hits the bell and the bell rings. This is an example of how electromagnets are used. Do you still have any questions about the lesson? I think it is too easy, right?
No. Easy.
Okay, great job. You did an excellent
Yes.
job today.
So easy.
Okay, so it was about
Love
electromagnets.
you.
Electromagnets is when we use electricity to build magnets. I love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye.